Hey guys, welcome back. It's Carl here. Today in Power BI, we're going to be doing the drill through method using two different detail pages. We're going to be using the state details pages and we're going to be using the city details pages based on the region sales. So in order to do this, the first thing we're going to have to do is let's identify the pages that you're going to be drilling through. So I've created these two pages that we're going to be using the drill through method through: the state sales, and then we also have the city sales. So if we come back here to the drill through method and we go ahead and create that drill through, so if I come here to this state page and I just add this region drill through, I get this back button where I can use my back button, and then now I can come here, do a drill through to the state details. So now I have a state details page, and if you see this number for this region, which is the Midwest region, is 7866. If I come back here to go back, you see that the Midwest is 7866. Now, how do I do that if the end user is really not tech savvy and really not familiar with Power BI, and they want another way to do the drill through without having to do a right click and then do this state selection? Before we do that, let's go ahead and create the drill through for the city details page. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to add another drill through for the region here, and then we have this back button, so now I can go back. So in order to do that, what we just discussed, first thing I want to do is I want to come here to insert, and I want to insert a shape. So in this particular shape, I want to call this the state details. So I'll just bring this down to about this size right here, and I'm going to go to the style, I'm going to turn on the text, and we're going to call this the state. Click here for state details. Just add the S at the end, and then let's just increase this font size to about that, and let's just make it smaller. And I can come here and let's just change the color where I want the font to be black. So now we basically have a button. So in order to enable this button, the first thing we need to do is turn on the action. So we turn on the action by going down to action, turning on the action, and then we're going to do drill through. When we do drill through, we get a destination dialog box that pops up. So now we can select this state details. But now by doing that, so we've created this drill through action. So when I click on Midwest, now I can come here and say, give me the drill through. So I go here and now I get a drill through for that particular details page. Now as we go back, if I hover over this, as you can see, it says to drill through to state details, select a single data point from the region. So now you can see that we cannot do anything unless we select a data point. Now let's do the next one. So the next one we're going to do is the city details. So I'm just going to take this one, I'm going to copy and paste. So we're just going to come here and we're going to change that text. Instead of it saying the state details, we're going to call it the city details. So now that it says the city details, we come back here and we're going to go to our actions page and we're going to change the destination to the city details. So now that we change it to the city details, now we can select between either one. So if we click on the South region, now we have the ability to either click here for the city details or click here for the state details. And then I can hit control click and now I can see the city details. Now I'm navigating to the city details and I see all the city details, and the number is 16053. If we scroll back, we see that that number is 16053. Now you know how to use the drill through method using an additional image or object in order to do your drill through in Power BI.